Before we start, we got Shavira today to answer our question.
You can know me as Chevy.
Yes. Today our discussion is about global warming. So you need to answer a few questions about global warming. First of all, I would like to ask, can you explain what is global warming?
Global warming is caused by the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, and ozone, and nitrogen and CFCs. These are we're creating more of these, making the Earth's blanket thicker. This creates more warming caused by the sun's heat.
And Shavira, can you explain how it happens? How these gases and the element that causing the global warming is getting increase in the atmosphere.
Well, to be precise, it's a lot of molecules, but it naturally gets into the atmosphere. It causes this balance. There's this natural balance. But when humans entered the Industrial Revolution, which started in 1800 or in the 17th century, no, the 19th century to be precise, we started burning coal and other fossil fuels. Also, concrete contributed this because of the calcium oxide. This greenhouse gases are burned to create energy, to create stuff, and to create concrete and other stuff. Well, this creates more greenhouse gases, which warms the planet Earth. And there have been lots of protests. In fact, Greta Thunberg also did these. Also, we're harming the environment with plastic bags.
Yeah, so can you explain how these greenhouse gases causes increase in temperature in simple terms?
Well, I'll tell you how. In a story. Heat from the sun escapes. It goes into our atmosphere. It hits Earth's surface. It reflects. Then the greenhouse gases bounce them back. Some heat escapes while the others stay in. There was a natural cycle till one day we started burning carbon. And carbon dioxides, such as the carbon dioxide products such as coal. This created a big problem. We started releasing more. They started making holes. They started hurt in the ozone layer. The hole is healing, but because that greenhouse gas was banned, CFCs, but still, because of these more greenhouse gases, the Earth's heat is getting trapped more often, and less heat is escaping. Global warming actually has been happening all the time. It's because the carbon is always reflecting the heat back, but it's going higher than before. The highest temperature before in the Earth's history got to 48, and this was a height. And this happened when an unexpected heat came up. Well, and it never went up this fast though.
Okay, so what we can do to prevent the global warming? And
what is
your message to the general public who are watching this program?
There are many options. One is to switch to renewables. Renewables, such as water, wind, and solar, and nuclear and geothermal. Nuclear could get a few improvements, such as starting fusing hydrogen and helium and other isotopes of hydrogen and helium, and also trying to fuse other elements, such as boron, and using them up too. And also, we could use the remainings to fuse even more again. And also upgrades to this technology. And there's a second one. And starting to switch to electric cars and electric trains. These stop burning fossil fuels to get. And also, we could try plummeting. But we can't do electric planes at the level since the batteries are still too heavy. for the plane to fly. Also, stopping deforestation is so important because the trees are using the carbon dioxide and they can store it for years in their trunks, and it takes it years to escape. Once they die, they release the carbon back into the soil. Also, there's this another cause called which happens when humanity secretes these chemicals which don't damage the ozone layer and don't harm humanity to reflect some light. This will shorten climate change for the current moment, but it won't definitely not stop it. You can start planting trees because scientists think that 1 billion more hectares could be planted. That means Earth could support 1 trillion trees on its surface. That is a lot. So, try planting as many trees as possible. Try planting other plants.
Thank you very much, Javier, joining me.
Also, that this also can help us to save endangered species. Plastic bags can also pollute the environment, which is also dangerous. But also, if you want to know more about the people who tried to save this planet, try getting this book called Earth Heroes. The book Earth Heroes talks about 20 brave people who tried to save the planet, including Greta Thunberg, David Attenborough, and other people who tried to save the planet.
Thank you, Javier.